What's up, guys? Mike here again. Quick one on my March moves. Not a lot to talk about here. I didn't make any significant trades, but what I have been doing is rebalancing my portfolio a bit. So when we have a sideways market, like we've had, it has been a bear market for about 15 months, but particularly in the last 9 months, the market has been sideways a lot. You get a lot of these up moves and then they're reversed, or the down move and then you get a reversal in the other direction. So the market hasn't moved a lot since last July. So one of the things that you can do, I've been doing this on and off for a while now, is within my portfolio, I'm taking the stuff that has moved up a bit to a point where the allocation of my portfolio is a bit bigger than I want it, and then I'll rebalance that into stuff that is down below where I want it. So it kind of, the portfolio ends up sort of just moving itself around based on whatever goes up and whatever doesn't. So this month, what I've done is I've taken some meta. I've taken 15% of my meta position off. That ran up pretty quickly. I mean, I bought it around 129, I think that was my average, back in November, and it's ran up to over 200 now in short order. So the size of that position got pretty big, and I think that Meta's more fairly priced than it was. I think it was cheap based on my own analysis, back before the new year. And now we're at more like fair price. So it got up to about 15% of my portfolio. I took some of that off. I took 15% of the 15% off and just put it in cash as it went up. And some of the stuff I bought with the cash that I've been I took some off of ASOS as well. When it was down at $6, I bumped the portfolio allocation up to about 8%, something like that. And then it ran up to about $11 in short order, and the position got to a higher level. I think it was around 15% as well. So what I've done now is I've trimmed it back to about 10% of the portfolio at $10. Which is kind of the original allocation I wanted to put in it. So I've taken some of that off. And then on the other side, as BABA's come down, I've added a little bit back to that. I did take some of the BABA off last month when it was up around 115, and now I basically put that back on at 82.15 this month. As well, I've added to StoneCo at $8.52. And so that's become a pretty big position now. I added maybe 20 or 25% to that position as it came down. So those are my rebalancing moves for the month. Now, rebalancing works if the market continues to go sideways. But the question is, if it starts, let's say the market starts going up, which I think there's a pretty decent possibility we're going to get a bit of a move up here. Am I happy with the allocations at the moment, right? Because if I move it too much from stuff that's up and put it in stuff that's down, I might have the wrong allocation going forward. But I think that I'm happy if the market moves up. I'm happy with my current allocation. If it moves down, we'll see if anything stays up. Maybe I can rebalance again if some of the stuff drops significantly. But yeah, that's basically all that's happened this month. Aside from the Seritage sell, which I did a video on, so I no longer have Seritage. That is basically all in cash now. I think that's pretty much it for this month. And as I said, I'll keep updated on these sort of small moves that I have throughout the month. I think that's pretty much it. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.